Welcome to HEART. HEART is an educational program designed for high school students to develop preventative mental wellness skills and to foster social emotional learning. In this session, we'll be discussing strategies to manage overwhelming stress and introducing the subject of recovering from traumatic stress. So, let's get started. Even though linking our stress to our growth and meaning can help us take advantage of stress, there are still times when we can feel overwhelmed by the choices we make. It's hard and uncomfortable, and it doesn't mean that things are terribly wrong with you or your life. This is part of the normal process of learning how to manage life. It happens to us at various stages in our lives as our situations change. We have to reassess what we're doing and intentionally choose how to respond. Lots of things in this world are outside of our control, and many things are within our control. Our success in life depends a lot on our ability to train ourselves to manage and especially to stay focused on the things that are within our control. How to cope with overwhelming stress. When you feel overwhelmed by stress, take a moment to consider if it's short-term or long-term. If it's a short-term period of stress, a few days or even a few weeks, use your skills to cope with the situation. Figure out what your goals are for the period. Prioritize most of your energy on activities that are absolutely most important towards those goals. Temporarily let go of low priority items, including distractions and things that seem urgent but don't actually have impact on reaching your goals. Communicate your situation with people around you. Ask for temporary help to get the medium priority things done. Or just get them done well enough and minimize perfectionizing so you have more time to focus on the important stuff. Use your coping skills to manage the physical and emotional stress you feel, including long exhale breath, remembering your why, and managing your resilience battery, and several other skills which we'll talk more about in future modules. If you feel like you don't know how to do any of this, get help to learn how from people who are already doing it. Many of you already do a lot of this, and I'm sure you can identify areas where you have room for improvement. How does this look different if you determine the stress is longer term? A longer term stressful period requires you to rethink how you behave and probably change a lot of what you do. Imagine an athlete who's training for the Olympics or to go professional, or a college student who wants to go through 10 plus years to become a doctor. They're in it for the long game. If your goals require you to learn how to deal with a high degree of stress for a long time, you'll need to develop your skills to manage your time efficiently, strongly identify your values and priorities to make it easier to make responsible decisions, and intentionally develop a maintenance plan to take care of yourself so that you have the physical energy and emotional stamina to reach your goals. Training yourself how to manage stress is a process. Just because it's hard now doesn't mean it always will be. And once you master some of it, life has a way of pushing us to new levels.